Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Sunday. This video will probably come up on Monday. I planned on doing a couple videos yesterday and it didn't happen, so whatever. And I am still trying to figure out how to organize all the clothes and stuff that I've been getting. So the way I was doing it, it's just too hard to pull the stuff back out. So my husband's going to make me shelves in there's a big like storage container like with cabinets and stuff behind me, so he's going to make shelves so that I can put them in there, so I can hopefully get all of this cleaned up and this garage organized again. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys what I got. So this is going to be a multiple haul. Pretty sure there's only a couple things right here that I got from Joanns, which I don't think I've ever been in there, but it was close to my work today, so I went in there. But I think everything else on this is from Dollar Tree. Some of the items are from like a month ago, and some of them are from today. Actually, there is one thing. I forgot to show you guys these yesterday when I showed you my yard sale haul. So these, again, it was the one where the lady pretty much charges $1 for everything. So these say $3, but I did not pay that. I paid $1. And there are 6 of these napkin rings in there, which I think are gorgeous. They're so pretty. And then there is 4 of these like kind of brass geode napkin rings. I think they're gorgeous. So I just wanted to show you guys those real quick. So we pretty much paid like 50 cents for each set. So I thought that was a great deal. So that was one more thing on top of all the stuff we got from theirs. It was insane. So now let's move on to Joann's. I did just apparently get 2 things. I thought I got more than that. So Joann's, I don't know if they normally have sales or not, but these I got so I can put them on top of my planters that I already have so that I can make candy dishes, which I can't wait to show you guys. I'm almost done. Excuse me. So these are normally $2.79 and it was $1.12 off. So I paid $1.67 for 2 of these. Very simple. And then I found these and I thought these were gorgeous. Let's see, how much were these? So they were $3.99 and there's 40 pieces in here and they're flat backed. And I just thought that that was absolutely gorgeous. Like, those are so pretty. So I can put those on the snowman I'm making. I can put them on my tumblers. I can put them on anything. So I just love those. And they're by Pop. And they were $3.99. So that's all that I got from that stuff. So let's move on to the Dollar Tree stuff that I've had for at least a month. For at least. Actually, let me see. I thought I saw the receipt in here. And I was almost embarrassed to tell you guys how long I've had it. But I picked these up, you guys, and let me tell you why I picked these up. First of all, they're gorgeous, right? They are so pretty, and they have the little hangers. But I picked them up because my plan with these is to put, I'm gonna keep them exactly like this, but I'm gonna put some tea bags in here and maybe like some honey sticks and stuff like that into here, the envelope, and then give it as like fall gifts kind of, maybe to my coworkers or something. But I just thought that they were perfect for that. So like I said, I'm just going to put in probably like 2 or 3 little tea bags. Like I said, I have honey sticks here. They're not very expensive. So I picked them up at the farmer's market around here. And I think that is like the perfect little gift. So cute. So I did pick up several of them. Are these the same? So this one says Hello Autumn. And then this one says Autumn. And this one says Hello Autumn also. But that is so cute. Like, maybe $2 total is what you'll spend, because you can also get a huge thing of tea at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So maybe $2 in total, and you have the cutest little gift. And then you get, even if you don't get like the gift bags that Walmart has, like the gift basket bags, those are huge. You could get like the clear cellophane party bags that they have, and I think there's 20 in there, and these will fit in there, and then you could just wrap them in there. So cute. So that's why I got those. That's what I plan on doing. Oh, I got another one in here. It's like Christmas for me, guys. So this one just says Autumn. So I got 4 in total. I did pick these up apparently. Like I said, it's been a while. So these are acorns. And how many's in here? 12 pieces. And they're just like they're not glass. Resin kind of acorns. I just think they're cute. And these are the pumpkins. So also very cute. And I mean, even on this right here, you could put like a little bit of floral and maybe put like the pumpkin on there or something. Yeah, just really cute. And then what else is in here? It's like Christmas. Apparently I really needed paintbrushes at the time. So this is just 6 pieces of the art brushes. I got those apparently. And then I got these ones, and this is the 3-piece Crafter Square brush set. I'm really surprised that I got this one because I do absolutely love the paints, the paintbrushes that are this colored handle and this way on the top, but that's really small. I usually get the larger ones, but again, these are from like a way long time ago, so I don't even know. I probably had a plan at that time, and then I just absolutely love this. So I got this, and it just says pumpkin spice and everything nice. And so I got that. I loved all the lattes and everything. And then, again, I still plan on making all of the, like, the little bread in a bag type or bread in a can type things and, like, dry cookie recipes and stuff. And then putting them in these. And then you just, like, put the, like, I don't even know what I'm thinking. So let's just see what they are first. This one says grateful, and it's just like a little pie pan kind of thing. What do they call it? Microwave safe, so you can put this in the microwave. Just says it's a plate. This is not a plate, people. This one says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. And this one says happy fall. So, I mean, you could take one of these, and you know Dollar Tree has those mug, what are they? Like the mug cakes or whatever that they have like in a 4-pack. You could, because this is microwave safe, so you could literally just put 2 of those in here. Again, put it inside of the cellophane bag from Walmart, or sorry, from Dollar Tree, where they come like 20 in a bag for $1.25. So put like 2 of those in here. Put like a little spoon in here. I mean, you could get one from like the kids section at Walmart. Why do I keep saying Walmart? Because I have an amazing Walmart haul that I'm going to do next. But I was sad that I didn't have it right here. And so like, that's the one I wanted to do first, but I meant Dollar Tree. Anyways, so you could, I mean, they have the metal, just a metal spoon at Dollar Tree. You could get like the kids' little plastic spoons that are cute. Anyways, put like 2 of the mug cakes in here and like a spoon. And they have, you know, the little miniature measuring things. I mean, I just think it's cute. So that's what I got that for. Again, the mug cakes will be perfect for those. I mean, that is a really cute gift idea. And then, so that was the one I got from like forever ago. That was like probably 2 months ago. This was from like a week ago. So I did just pick this up for my middle son. He loves The Office, so it's just a trivia game. And it just says 53 cards and instruction cards. So I just got him this for his stocking. I think he'll like it. I did just pick up this confetti so that I can put it into the bottom of, I want to resin it in the bottom of like a dish or something and just see how it'll look, like some snow. So I just got that. 2 ounces. Now, let's see. I think this is all from today. I'm like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I think this is, looking around, this is from today. Some of it's oh so fun, and some of it you're like, we've seen that a million times. I know. But I know people say it's too early for Christmas. Let me just tell you, off on a little story. So I have to get up in the attic to get all of my like Halloween, fall, Christmas, all that stuff is up in the attic. And I unfortunately cannot get up into the attic alone because I just dangle from like the roof and it's a hot mess. So my husband has to like pull me up from the inside, and one of my sons has to be underneath. It's a mess. I have no arm strength, and I cannot pull myself up into that hole. The ladder has to sit weird. Anyway, so I told my oldest, my 22-year-old the other day, alerts, if you do not have children, this should be your birth control, because children say horrible things to hurt your feelings. I said, Troy, I'm going to get up in the attic tomorrow. Do you think you can help me? I want to get out my Thanksgiving decorations. And he said, isn't it kind of early for Thanksgiving decorations? And I said, no. I said, I might even bring down my Christmas. And he said, I think it's too early for that. And then he said, wait, has Halloween even happened? And I said, no. And he said, well, then you definitely can't bring down Christmas. And that is why you should not have children, because they are so negative. And I'm going up into the attic tonight, and I have every intention on at least going through my Christmas and sneaking a couple pieces down. The only problem, again, is I can't get up there by myself. And whatever I want to bring down, my husband has to hand to one of the kids below, because I can't also get the items down from the attic. Like, they made it so weird that how the ladder has to go up in there. It can't, because it's in our laundry room. Like, it can't sit tall enough. So I feel like my husband has not a hard time getting in, but you have to like pull yourself into the hole, because we have a ladder that would be that tall. It just won't work. And so, yeah. So I have to ask them for help. So they kind of decide what I bring down. Anyways, so I found Christmas and I'm excited. I found these, and they're just the little candy containers, and these ones are obviously the bells. So there's 4 in here, and they have a little hole at the top. They break open, you know, so that you can put candies and stuff in there. And then I found the Christmas trees. They had stars too, but those weren't really for me. So 4 of these, and I really think they're cute. So I think we're not having a Christmas party at my house, but we're having... It's very hard to have split families. So, you know, of course, my family is like, well, why do you always go to his family's for Christmas? And then his family is like, why aren't you coming here for Christmas? Why are you going there? So we have decided that for Christmas, we are not going anywhere. We're going to stay home and people can come to us. But that we are going to have like a little, just kind of like family. We have some big family. And so that we can all get together on a day that is not Christmas. And so nobody has to get offended. And then, like, you know, my sister-in-law doesn't have to worry about like coming to see us for Christmas because she saw us on this day. So it's just these different things so that everyone has so many different places to go on Christmas, and it's so stressful. We just want to have a little thing that's before Christmas when nobody has anything planned, and just kind of have a little get together and almost like have a Christmas Eve kind of thing, but it's going to be before that so that nobody has to stress about who they didn't see or who they saw or anything on Christmas Day, because I'm fine staying home. Anyways, I picked up 2 of these. Yes. And so my plan with these, because I have them right here. Okay. This is not all the way painted yet. Ooh, okay, so I have a bigger one. But I want to do something down here on this, and then I'm going to put this on the top and make a snow globe out of it. And so I just think they'll be really cute like that. So that is my plan for those. So I have 2. And then I picked these up because I'm sure I have them, but I cannot find them right now. So this is just the blue, like, gem kind of ribbon. And it's just, yeah, the floral garden diamond wrap. 2 yards, 6 feet. Anyway, so I got that to go around the bottoms of some of those. And then I got this, and I like this one. If you look, it's more like the balls on the top versus like sunken in, like these ones. See the difference? Like these ones are like sunken in, and these are more round. I feel like these look kind of more natural and maybe not Dollar Tree-ish. So I got those to put on some of my terracotta pots. And then I saw this one. Let me get this one up again. I saw this one, a unicorn kind of candy dish on Pinterest. And it had like, I don't know, I think fabric or something. Like, so this was painted all pink and cute like unicorns. And then it had the glass bowl on top with unicorns. And then it had, okay, Amy, like fabric or something around the edge, like here that they glued on. And I could glue this, but then I was like, I don't have to worry about an end or anything. So, okay, you get the idea. So I got this hair tie to just go like on there and under the dish. Yeah. So anyways, that's what I got that for. And it 2 come in there. Let's see what else I have. Oh, my husband keeps going on about how we need more storage bags, so I got them. But I want to point out, so these are the quart bags. And they have 17. The ones right next to them had 13 on these ones on the quart. And a little embarrassing, but I was like, I don't know what size these bags are. So I picked up the 13 because the 13 was set like this in English. And then the 17 was set this way. And so I was like, those look like they're the same size. I wonder if they are. And I was like, but I don't, let me just look at the numbers right here because I don't know like what that means. And then I was like, oh, Amy, if you turn it around, it's the same thing. That was embarrassing, extremely embarrassing. But So anyways, these are the quarts, and if you look at the bottom, like the bottoms expand. So there were 17. Again, the ones right next to them have 13. These are the gallons. These had 13. I think the other ones had 7. So again, just picked up some of the gallon bags with 13 in them. Again, I can't say it enough. My kids cannot get enough of these. They refuse to eat any other peanut butter like crackers. I buy them from Walmart or whatever, and they will not eat them. So these just have 6 packs of 4 sandwiches, and they're just the peanut butter with the crackers right there. As soon as I put these out, I know my oldest puts like, I don't know how many in his backpack for school, which is fine, but it's just crazy. I did pick these up because, oh, see, I am missing something. I'll have to show it on my next video. Anyways, I picked these up because I want to put, I want to put my glitters in these. So, like, my glitters, I'll have, like, maybe 3 of the same color, but they're all in different containers. Or, like, I'll have this one and this, but if you don't close it right, then it starts to leak and stuff. And so I just thought this is so, and, you know, all of them are different size containers and stuff like that. So I just got these to put my glitters in, and then it'll be so much easier to tap it back in the container than trying to tap it into, like, the little small things, like, you know, when the excess comes off. And then also I feel like these are way easier to, mix glitters if you want to. So, you know, if you just have a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and you just want to make like a different color or whatever, like, you just put them in here. So I got these for my glitters, basically. That's what I got those for. I did pick up 2 more of these. I am obsessed with making the little snowmen and stuff out of these this year. So these ones are the smaller, like, fishbowl base things from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, they just say a bowl. So these are the smaller ones. They only had 2, so I picked up the 2 they had. I did just also today get from Amazon the little fairy lights. 12 of them come for 11 something. So several things. One, that's way cheaper than Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree charges $1.25. But also I get that so these are the fairy lights. They're the very thin wire, and they're very like touchy kind of. They're a little bit better quality than the ones you get at Dollar Tree, so they're not as bad. But I also like them because, like, the battery pack from Dollar Tree is like this big, so when you try to put it on the outside of like your decoration, I mean, you have this thing this big on it and it's kind of tacky, whereas these ones are like this big and they just take the little circle battery. And so those are just the different reasons I like them. So yeah, I just get them. They were less than $12, and there's 12 of them. They're like 7 foot each, so they just go into my decorations well. Anyways, and these are just 6 of the silver Christmas trees. No doubt in my mind, I have a million of these. But I'm sure they're up in the attic, and I'm very picky at what I'm going to try to sneak down for my Christmas. I mean, my husband and my son would bring down my Christmas if I wanted it. But I also don't want too much brought down because then there's just more clutter. So anyways, guys, that is mainly my Dollar Tree haul. A couple things from Joanns, and then oh, my one thing from my yard sale. So that's it. I hope that I'm looking around to make sure that really is it. Anyways, this should be gone soon when my husband builds my shelves for me. So, because I am doing so good at organizing and stuff, I just feel like I'm doing really good. So anyways, guys, I hope that you have a great day. I am going to go get my stuff from my Walmart haul because I'm so excited about that. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.